Mas malaking pondo ang balak ilaan ng gobyerno para sa mga programang pang-ayuda sa ilalim ng panukalang 2025 National Budget base sa tinalakay ng Committee on Finance ng Senado. Tugon daw ito sa epekto ng inflation na pinakaramdam ng mga mahihirap. Nakatutok si Mav Gonzalez.
May 591.8 billion pesos para sa ayuda sa panukalang 2025 national budget.
Our poor constituents are very sensitive to the prices of food, especially the prices of rice. And this is something that I want to highlight because typically we only look at the national inflation, that's inflation that everyone feels. But it is obvious that the poorest segment of our society feels it much greater.
In the budget for 2024, and it will be followed through in 2025, there are somewhat what we call ayuda programs, roughly about 560 billion in 2024. That is intended to assist 50% of all families nationwide. There are about 13 million families who should be benefiting from this.
Ayon kay Budget Secretary Amina Pangandaman, para sa 2025, pinakamalaki ang alokasyon ng 4Ps na nasa 114.2 billion pesos. Pero wala sa 2025 ang kontrobersyal na akap o ayuda sa kapos ang kita program ng DSWD na nakatanggap ng 26.7 billion pesos ngayong 2024. One-time ayuda ito na 5,000 pesos para sa mga pamilyang kumikita ng hindi tataas sa 23,000 pesos sa isang buwan. Matatandaang wala ang akap sa bersyon ng 2024 budget na inaprubahan ng Senado pero ipinasok sa Bicameral Conference Committee nang hindi raw nalalaman ng ibang miyembro ng komite.
Was that requested by the DSWD for year 2024?
Sir Danep, hindi po, Madam Chair.
Ganun din. It found its way into the GAA.
Yes, Madam
In
Chair.
2024, not requested, found its way into the GAA. In 2025, also not requested.
Yes po.
So,
I can
so-
assure our minority leader we will keep a watchful eye kung ano lang yung na-approve natin.
Kahapon sinita rin ni Senador Risa Hontiveros ang paglilipat ng malaking tipak ng inaprubahang 2024 national budget ng Senado sa unprogrammed appropriations o yung wala pang tukoy na pagkukunan at mapupondohan lang kung may sobrang kita, foreign assistance o loan na makuha ang gobyerno. Kasama sa tinamaan ang ilang malalaking proyekto gaya ng flood control.
I hope we do not make this mistake again of deprioritizing hundreds of billions of pesos in funds proposed by the President and already approved by both the House and the Senate.
Problema naman daw ang underspending ng mga ahensya ng gobyerno ayon kay Senador Win Gatchalian.
In 2023, the unutilized appropriation is about 1.7 trillion pesos. That's 20% of the total appropriations. So 20% has not been spent or not been dispersed. We are increasing budget, but we cannot spend budget. And at the same time, we're incurring fiscal deficit. And to finance that fiscal deficit, we need to borrow.
Paliwanag ng Department of Budget and Management, karaniwang inuuna ng mga ahensyang gastusan yung mga proyektong pwede na agad ipatupad. Minsan din daw, may gusto ang Kongreso na hindi naman talaga prioridad ng ahensyang magpapatupad nito. Para sa GMA Integrated News, Mav Gonzalez, nakatutok, 24 oras.